And there's another one. I have caught a lot of fish this summer on the hooks of the signature cards from Grimm Survival, and having a fishing kit in my wallet at all times, I'm very happy to carry it. That there's a good 5 to 6 inch trout. Very nice eating. But I'll let them grow a little bigger. So in my wallet, I carry on my card here 30 feet of 40-pound test braided fishing line. Carry that in there, super small, but I always have 30 feet of fishing line with me, and it's 40-pound test. I can use that for a lot of traps and so on. In this here, I have 2 cards, plus I actually carry a ferro rod striker because I carry a ferro rod in my wallet. But these are the cards here, the signature cards. I have one on top of the other. I have the Fowler card and the Bob Hansler. What I'm catching fish on today is this little hook right here. It sits right in that spot. I can take it off of my fishing caster and put it back as well. I'll leave a link down below where you can check these out, but I support Grimm Survival because these cards work. I use these cards a lot. So this here has been my main rig for fishing this summer. It's my caster, has 30 feet braided fishing line. That's the hook there, and I've got a lure. This is from a different card, but it's still Grimm Survival card. Now this here I've caught a lot of fish on, and it's rather cool that these here can fit in a card, and I always have them in my wallet if I want to stop by a stream and such and fish. All I have to do is cut myself a stick like this for a caster, or a long branch to use as a pole. Very cool. Now, I wanted to also let you know that I've been working with Grimm Survival, or Grimm Workshop, on my Wayne Russell signature card. It's in prototype now, and I should get it in a few weeks, but fishing season may be over by the time I get it. So I just wanted to share how the hooks work with the survival cards. So I won't be able to test my hooks because of fishing season may be over, but hopefully I'll get it in time. So I want to just share this with you. This is what I've been using over the summer, and I've been using different hooks from the Fowler card and Bob Hansler. They've been working really well, and I'm happy with them. So just wanted to share this with you. Take care, and all the best. Get your line and your hooks wet.